Have you ever felt like you had nothing? Like everything was just not enough? There once was a child who felt this way. They looked around and thought, I wish I had more. But then, something magical happened. They started to really look around. Wait, the child whispered. I have my family who loves me so much. They hug me, they care for me, they're always there. And there's fresh, clean water to drink whenever I'm thirsty. Delicious food that fills my tummy and makes me strong. Look at the beautiful world Allah created. The colorful flowers, the singing birds, the bright sunshine, and the twinkling stars at night. I have friends to play with. We laugh together, we share, we help each other. What a blessing. I have a warm home that keeps me safe, a cozy bed to sleep in, clothes to wear. I can run, I can jump, I can see all these beautiful colors, I can hear the birds singing. The child's eyes grew wide with wonder. There are blessings everywhere, in every corner, in every moment. This is what Allah tells us in the Quran, in Surah Al-Kauthar. Allah says, indeed, we have granted you Al-Kauthar, which means abundance. So many blessings, we can't even count them all. The child smiled the biggest smile. Thank you, Allah, for all these gifts. I'm not sad anymore. I have so much. I have abundance. And you know what? You have abundance too. Look around you right now. Can you count your blessings? Allah has given us all so much to be grateful for.